Recently, you must have seen many YouTube Shorts channels where a gameplay video is playing in the background and a random story is being narrated on the top. These channels are getting monetized within just a month, and you will be surprised to know that creating these type of shorts take almost no efforts. In fact, people are making them in just 2 minutes. Now I know you must be wondering how. So in today's video, I will show you how you can create faceless shorts in just 4 to 5 clicks. To generate these shorts, first you need to go to Google and search for vidAI. Click on the first link, then click on try now and sign up using your Google account. Once you are inside the dashboard, you will see all your created projects. But since we are starting fresh, let's go to the faceless shorts section. Now, here where the magic happens. First enter a prompt. This is basically the topic of your video. You can write something like interesting facts about the universe or mind-blowing history facts. Next, choose the duration of your video. You can go for 30 to 60 seconds or 60 to 90 seconds, which is the perfect for shorts. Now comes the fun part, choosing a narrator. By default, you will see a few voices like Matt or Adam's shown. I will select Adam. But wait, there is more. If you click on See All, a whole list of voices appears. You can even preview each voice by clicking on the play button next to it. So just find the one that matches your video's vibe and select it. Now that your voice is set, let's add visuals. Vid.ai gives you many styles to choose from, like natural, anime, cinematic, and many more. And if you don't want AI generated images, you can go with gameplay videos, just like these Minecraft and Subway Surf videos. You may have seen these kinds of videos on Instagram Reels. And if you don't want to go with gameplay videos, you can select viral videos like these satisfying videos. For now, let's select AI generated images, and I will select cinematic here and hit generate content, and then it will take few seconds and it will generate a script that you can see here. You can edit the script according to your liking, and if you hover over the script, it will show the related image for that line, and if you don't like the image, then simply click on regenerate and it will generate a new image for that line. Once you are satisfied, click on next and it will take few seconds to generate the video, and there you have it. Let's see what it generated.
History is filled with mind-blowing events that changed the world forever. In 1066, the Norman conquest transformed England's future. The signing of the Magna Carta in 1215 laid the foundation for modern democracy. The Renaissance sparked a rebirth of art and science in the 14th century. The American Revolution in 1776 ignited the fight for freedom. The Industrial Revolution reshaped societies in the 18th and 19th centuries. World War I brought unprecedented destruction and change. The Great Depression in the 1930s devastated economies worldwide. World War II saw the rise of totalitarian regimes and global conflict. The Cold War divided nations and ideologies for decades. The Civil Rights Movement fought for equality in the 1960s. The fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 symbolized freedom and unity. The rise of the Internet revolutionized communication and information. The 9/11 attacks changed global security and politics forever. The Arab Spring sparked movements for democracy across the Middle East. Climate change has become a pressing global crisis. The COVID-19 pandemic reshaped daily life and health systems worldwide. Each of these events reminds us of our shared history and future.
It's pretty cool, right? Now, from here, you can even change the background music of the video, or you can change the styling of the captions from here. Okay, now let's go to the fake text, where you can generate fake text videos like these with gameplays. Just simply add messages like this, and once you have added messages, click on render. And it will take few seconds and boom, your fake text video is ready. You can even create split screen videos by going to split screen option. And here you can select the videos from your computer and upload them here, and it will generate split screen videos. Pretty cool, right? And that's it. In just few clicks, you can create viral YouTube shorts without showing your face or spending hours on editing. Click on the link in the description and try vidAI by yourself.